Hey there. Struggling to keep tabs on what's in your warehouse? Proper inventory tracking in QuickBooks Online stops the guesswork and keeps your numbers accurate. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. First, make sure you've turned on inventory tracking. Go to Settings, then Account and Settings, and under the Sales tab, find the option to enable inventory. Next, it's all about your products and services list. Every time you purchase new stock, add it as an inventory item. QuickBooks will automatically adjust your quantity on hand and your inventory asset value. When you sell an item, it deducts from your count and records the cost of goods sold. My crucial pro tip? Use the reorder point field. For each inventory item, set a minimum stock level. QuickBooks can then alert you when it's time to order more, so you never run out of your best-selling products. Just like that, you've got a real-time pulse on your stock value and can make smarter purchasing decisions. Do you track every single SKU, or do you focus only on your high-value items? Let me know your approach in the comments. If clear guides like this help you work smarter, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.